What is utilitarian justice? Have you ever wondered how we determine what is just or fair in society? The concept of utilitarian justice offers a fascinating perspective. At its heart, utilitarian justice is based on utilitarianism, an ethical theory that evaluates actions by their outcomes. This means that the morality of an action is judged by how well it maximizes overall happiness or well-being. When we apply this idea to justice, we look at laws, punishments, and social policies based on their consequences for the greatest number of people. Instead of relying on abstract principles or inherent rights, utilitarian justice focuses on practical effects. A just system, according to this view, is one that produces the greatest good for the greatest number. So, what does this mean in practice? Actions or policies are seen as just if they increase overall happiness or reduce suffering in society. On the flip side, they are considered unjust if they cause unnecessary harm or decrease collective welfare. This approach is a form of consequentialism, which means it judges the morality of an act by its results rather than motives or intrinsic rights. Now, let's talk about punishment. Utilitarian justice supports penalties primarily as a way to promote social good. Punishments are justified if they deter crime, rehabilitate offenders, or protect society. The focus here is less on retribution or moral desert and more on the outcomes that punishment achieves for the community. This means that when deciding on punishments, the goal is to maximize positive consequences. For instance, a punishment might be deemed appropriate if it helps prevent future crimes or assists in rehabilitating the offender. However, utilitarian justice does face challenges. One concern is that it can overlook individual rights. Since it prioritizes collective welfare, there may be instances where the needs of individuals are sacrificed for the greater good. In practical applications, utilitarian justice influences policies that aim to balance public safety, rehabilitation, and fairness. Decision-makers are encouraged to weigh the social impacts of justice-related choices, striving for outcomes that enhance general well-being. Ultimately, utilitarian justice is an ethical framework that defines justice by the consequences of actions. It focuses on maximizing happiness and minimizing suffering for the majority. By guiding legal and moral judgments based on effectiveness in promoting societal welfare, it offers a unique lens through which we can view justice in our world.